Join us on a full day of visiting a one-of-a-kind bridge, a dormant volcano, and tranquil lakes. Leaving Cusco, our journey begins with a hearty buffet breakfast, where travelers fuel up for the day ahead. Thereafter, we make a stop to climb a volcano once furiously erupting to enjoy the serenity of the village surrounding it. Next up is our main highlight of the day, the breathtaking Quechua Bridge, an architectural marvel woven from grass by the skilled hands of local Quechua artisans, the last bridge of the Inca civilization. Spanning a deep canyon, the bridge offers a glimpse into ancient engineering and cultural tradition. We continue our journey, enjoying pristine lakes reflecting the azure sky above. We then indulge in a delicious buffet lunch before we return to Cusco.